Do I use or recommend AppSheet? There are so many ways of getting more out of the Google ecosystem. There's AppScript, AppSheet, AppMaker. That one was shut down eventually. And then you can just cut code straight to the APIs. My recommendation is if you're a small business owner, and by that I mean you have less than 20 employees, it's not your job to touch any of these technical tools. Even if you have the skills, it's still not your job. It's somebody else's job. That should be delegated, outsourced, or basically given to someone else. What my recommendation is if you have a business process that you're not able to get done within the constraints of your skills with Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Forms, and the apps that you stumble across in the marketplace to connect them together and get them talking to each other, draw it out on a piece of paper, or even better, using the Jamboard app. And if you haven't come across that yet, it's jamboard.google.com, and you can draw on your phone or your iPad or in the browser if you want, and share that with our team at itGenius, and we will be able to help you architect a business process that would be appropriate either inside Google Workspace, or we may be able to recommend a third-party tool to help you with that process. That would be my recommendation, rather than jumping into the technical side of things. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this content. And if you need more help with your Google Workspace account, there's 4 ways that we can help. Number 1, join our free community group where others in the community help support each other with their Google Workspace accounts. And I'm in there from time to time answering questions as well. Number 2, take advantage of our free transfer in offer to get a bunch of additional value for your Workspace account just for transferring your billing over to itGenius. Number 3, you can take advantage of a free consultation if you qualify, or an IT systems check and audit for everything technology in your business. And number 4, if you need help right now, you can either join our concierge program or book a one-time fix-it service to get support from our professional support team for everything Workspace and the Google ecosystem. See you in the next one.